So today I just saw, not today, I saw the Bratz challenge on Instagram and I just wanted to give it a try. So the goal for today is to try and look like that. And this is what I came up with. The hair is a bit of a mess, but I think other than that everything looks okay. So let's get started. As usual, I'm starting with priming my eyelids with concealer. And then using the Primark Nudes palette, I'm using a light brown shade for my crease. Then I'm taking this dark greyish shade from the outer corner to the middle of the eyelid. And I'm using a matte black shade to give it a more smoky look, especially to the outer corners. So I'm back with mascara and lashes on. So I'm going to do my foundation next, just how I do it usually. Right there I just dropped my brush and I couldn't find it, so moving on to the next part. So I got this what was that, Elegel Pro Concealer, and this was the first time I'm using it. I like it, but for a more natural makeup kind of day. For this particular look I didn't like the coverage because it wasn't covering enough, so I ended up using a little bit of the shape tape just where it's like very dark under my eyes. This is my first time trying the Coty Airspun powder as well, and it had the cutest little puff thingy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna. So the Bratz doll that I was trying to look like had a birthmark on her cheek under her eye. And what do you know, I have a birthmark right there also, but mine was kind of covered with the foundation and everything. So I'm just taking the eyeliner pen and just keeping a tiny dot there. But I took another face powder, just like a normal face powder, and just pat it on the black dot because I didn't want it to look like I just put marker, like permanent marker on there. And just gonna highlight a little bit, not like usual, just a little. So for the lips, I'm using a darker shade on the outer corners, and then for the middle part, I'm just using a shade a bit lighter than that. This kind of helps your lips appear bigger than they are, like it looks plumper. And then I decided to use a gloss as well, just on the middle part, just a little bit. And now the hair. So this was kind of the hard part for me because my hair is kind of like, not kind of, it's short. So it kept falling apart when I was trying to put it in a bun. It's supposed to be a nice, perfect looking bun, but mine is going to be a messy bun. Can't help it. I have tiny pieces of hair that doesn't want to stay put. Well, I don't know if I would go out looking exactly like this, but I do kind of like it. It's fun. I just wanted to try it and see how it looks, and it turned out to be good. I think, at least I think it looked good. So maybe this makeup look is doable if you just switch it up with a kind of like a nude lip, or if you can do the red lip with kind of toned down eyes and maybe not the crazy hair. Well, the hair is crazy because mine doesn't actually stay in place, but if your hair does stay in place, I think the bumps look cute. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.